You already keep it under the sink. A plain white powder that costs almost nothing at any store. And every bug chewing through your backyard tomatoes, invading the pantry, or ruining the grass has zero chance against it. The expensive garden sprays cannot compete with something this basic, so they hope you stay in the dark about what folks figured out generations ago. Today I am sharing 10 proven ways regular families have put this simple mineral to work in yards and homes. The 10th one is the game changer almost nobody talks about anymore, and the main reason for this video. Stick around until the finish. Drop a comment below with your location and the biggest headache in your yard this season, whether it is aphids on the roses, Japanese beetles everywhere, or something else. I check them all. I still picture myself as a kid, maybe 6 years old, perched on a stool beside my grandma in the old farmhouse kitchen. She stirred a bit of that same powder into warm syrup in a small jar. By sunrise, the ant parade marching across the counter had vanished completely. No store run required. She reached for borax every single time. This is sodium tetraborate, a natural mineral dug from ancient lake beds out west since the late 1800s. State university studies back up what families passed down for decades, showing low-strength baits can destroy whole ant nests in just a few days as the workers haul it home. Let us get started. The first method is that same ant destroyer my grandma relied on, and it handles every kind I have ever faced, including the tough ones invading southern states. Borax works slowly on purpose. The ant grabs the sugary mix, carries it back, feeds the queen, and the nest dies from within. Stir 1 teaspoon of borax into 1 cup of warm water, plus half a cup of sugar, until everything dissolves. Dip cotton balls in the liquid and place them on saucers along the trail. Leave the scouts alone so they deliver the payload. Within 3 days, the line disappears for the whole season. But ants barely scratch the surface of what this can handle. Step outside with me. Number 2, tackles, slugs, and snails. If you grow leafy greens, hostas, or berries, you wake up to trails and missing chunks. Borax pulls moisture from their bodies like nothing else, yet it spares your dirt, unlike dumping loads of salt. Lay down a narrow, dry circle around each plant base, about ½ an inch wide, staying clear of stems and foliage. Top it up after heavy rain. My neighbor kept every cabbage perfect all summer, with only this barrier. Slugs crawl slow, but the next issue darts around fast. Number 3 handles fleas inside the house, especially those hitching rides from the lawn on pets. Big exterminators charge a fortune. We scattered fine borax across carpets, worked it deep with a broom, let it sit a full day, then vacuumed thoroughly. It dehydrates hidden eggs and larvae that sprays miss. Do it once before summer and once before fall. Keep kids and animals away during the wait. That single step shatters the endless flea cycle. Number 4 takes on cockroaches. Nobody enjoys seeing them, but older homes get visitors, and some regions have monsters the size of small animals. Blend equal amounts of borax with regular flour or sugar. Dust thin trails behind appliances, under sinks, and along cabinet backs. Roaches clean it off their bodies, ingest it, and are done quickly. University extension tests show over 90% drops in populations using these exact baits. Real results from basic pantry items. Roaches hide indoors, so let us head back out where the real garden threats live. Number 5 fixes boron shortages in your dirt. This step nourishes instead of attacking. In tiny quantities, borax supplies a key trace element that carrots, broccoli, tomatoes, and fruit trees desperately need for solid production. Brown centers in cauliflower, corky beets, or spotted apples all point to the same missing piece. Dissolve 1 level tablespoon of borax in a gallon of water and spray across 1,000 square feet, once each spring. Extension offices have recommended this exact amount for years. Never overdo it, because more turns helpful into harmful. Fix the ground, and your yields jump dramatically. What about flying invaders, though? Number 6 protects wooden structures from carpenter ants and termites. This saved my cousin's old outbuilding. Create a saturated solution, 1 part borax to roughly 8 parts warm water. Brush or spray it onto untreated wood, like posts, porch bottoms, barn frames, or incoming firewood. It penetrates deep. When pests chew through the treated fibers, their digestion shuts down, and they starve inside their paths. The protection holds for years unless constantly soaked. Store brands charge $60 for the identical active ingredient in fancy packaging. Pests cause plenty of trouble, but existing plants need defense too. Number 7 helps anyone whose garden is already growing strong, yet facing sudden issues. Powdery mildew, that dusty coating on squash leaves, cucumbers, and flowers spreads like wildfire. Combine 1 teaspoon borax with 1 tablespoon oil in a gallon of water. Shake vigorously. Mist both sides of leaves early in the day before direct sun. The mix alters surface conditions the fungus hates, and the oil helps it cling. Apply 3 times, spaced 4 days apart. Pour directly into gaps on a hot, dry afternoon. Crabgrass, dandelions, and ground ivy disappear inside a week and stay away. My dad handled the area around the old barn this way every early summer with just a watering can. No heavy gear, no costly jugs. Number 9 keeps mice out of storage spots and coops. It does not kill them instantly, but creates a line they refuse to cross, similar to strong scents or barriers. Spread a thick band across door thresholds, around feed containers, and near waterers. Powder sticks to their paws, they groom it off, and choose easier targets elsewhere. Your supplies stay safe. We are nearly at the big one, I teased. Number 10 fights mold on basement walls, porch undersides, and shady house siding. Commercial cleaners mostly contain water and cost plenty. Stir 1 cup borax into a quart of hot water. Scrub the area with a brush and let it remain. No rinsing needed. It continues pulling moisture from spores long after. My great-aunt maintained her root cellar this way for decades, and it always stayed fresh. Now, the 10th method, the one I saved. This handles codling moths, the larvae tunneling into apples, the top destroyer of backyard fruit trees across the country. Catalogs push expensive traps and repeated sprays. Instead, in late winter, before buds open, paint a thick borax paste mixed to creamy thickness around each trunk from about 1 foot up to 3 feet high, using a wide brush. Larvae hiding in bark wake up, crawl across the band, and get eliminated before reaching branches. 1 application lasts the season for pennies. Old government guides mentioned it decades ago before chemical marketing took over. I have applied it to my trees for over a decade. Last harvest, I sliced open dozens of apples, and nearly all were perfect inside. That kind of success stays with you. I put every tip, the exact mixes, storage ideas, and seasonal timing into 2 practical guides called the Backyard Plan and the Harvest Handbook, available alone or as a set. They organize everything by issue, by time of year, and by what you already own around the house. Check the description link for the full collection at a price far below 1 service call. If you prefer physical copies, you can reference without screens. This is it. There you have it. 10 powerful applications for a couple dollars worth of borax that everyday people counted on, while others got steered toward pricey options that underdeliver. This wisdom did not vanish on its own. It simply stopped being shared when it stopped generating big sales. You are reclaiming it step by step from your own shelves. That feels like real independence. If you hate overpaying for solutions you already possess, you are in the right place. Comment again with your state and current garden battle. I read every one and some spark the next topic. Subscribe for more forgotten practical methods that built strong properties long before price tags ruled everything. Next video covers one scoop of fireplace ash that knocks out the toughest lawn invader you see everywhere. I will name the exact plant. Before signing off, I want to share extra details many of you asked about in messages. Where this powder originates, why it performs so well, and why modern advice often skips it. Borax comes straight from the earth. The main U.S. source sits in a California town named after it, with mining dating back to the 1870s. Huge teams of mules once hauled tons across deserts in legendary runs that supplied the country. For gardens, the key element boron acts as a micronutrient in precise amounts, helping fruit set and strong growth. Tomatoes dropping blossoms or trees blooming without much crop often trace back here. A measured spoonful dissolved and applied around roots every few years corrects it based on old, reliable pamphlets. Always stay precise. Too heavy, and it damages plants or ground for seasons. Elders measured carefully, knowing the boundary between benefit and harm is narrow. Some wonder about the stronger warning labels today. Regulators flagged high exposure risks for industrial settings, not teaspoon home uses. Labels standardized across regions, making boxes look serious, but the mineral remains unchanged from what past generations used safely. Follow guidelines. Keep it stored properly away from little ones and pets, like any household staple. One final thought. An older farmer who worked the land most of his life told me successful growing boils down to a handful of smart choices each year, including reaching for pantry staples first, instead of ordering more supplies. That approach fed his whole family for decades at almost zero extra cost. I am passing along the same mindset. Treat your shelves as the starting point, not the last resort. The answer has been waiting quietly the whole time. I am Eli. This covered the basics, but the full system lives inside our private grower circle, where I share deeper protocols, answer your specific questions directly, and connect you with others doing the same. Scan the code to join risk-free and cancel anytime. If this eased your pest struggles, please subscribe, explore the channel for more straightforward old-style fixes, and grow with confidence.